Hey guys, how's everyone doing? This is Andrew. Today I would like to introduce you to my new custom build. This rig is built in an awesome looking NZXT H710 gaming case. Now I'm going to power it on and show you guys what this build is about. This rig consists of an Intel i7 6700K CPU. The processor is actually cooling by the DeepCool GameX GT CPU cooler. It also comes with a very nice RGB fan. I really like this cooler because it's able to do its job by keeping the processor's temperature extremely low. I installed 2 sticks of DDR4 rows and it's equivalent to 16 gigabytes with 3000 megahertz per stick. This system is controlled by the Asus Z170 Pro Gaming motherboard and it has red LED lighting along the board. I customized this case with 3 Apivia RGB fans. They are very colorful and you can change them to a solid color if you like with an easy access from the RGB remote. I even installed the RGB strip. And it has the same lighting functions as the RGB fans. Finally, here's for the grand finale. I completed this build with the EVGA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card. Overall, this system is very powerful. It can handle many Steam games and Battle.net games, as well as high-intensity graphics and PC games. As you can see on the front panel, I designed it with the SAO, or otherwise known as Sword Art Online logo. I have more SAO designs in the back panel of this case. Here is Kirito, the male character, and here's Asuna, the female main protagonist of this series. I even have the SAO wallpaper on my monitor to go with the theme. Here's a little more preview of this rig before I end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this build. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching and enjoy.